Ki Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pikil kuit bha benar kam da ka Oswell su hilaban yo na barok kidukan.
O Menteri Rangba Akjela u Conrad Kongkal Sangma u balongru u National President jongga National People's Party. Ulaong bakat kum ka jingsngau jongga NPP ka Uniform Civil Code ka long Pyrshah ya ka Jinglong Laitluid kari India. Haga jing ikren bat kilat patai kubor haga laipau tarik u jeliu arajar arpulai. U Conrad Sangma ula penpau ba umpat la banda kenthok than halor ka Uniform Civil Code balatmu pun urlong daga sorkar National Democratic Alliance ba yalam daga Bharatiya Janata Party tat hadu ba ondala penmishwa ya ka ainro.
The Uniform Civil Code, according to the National People's Party, I'm talking from a party point of view as of now, it goes against the actual idea of India itself. India is a diverse nation, and the diversity is what is our strength. Of course, we don't know what will happen in the sense that what kind of bill will come out if it does come out. So, without seeing the actual content of a draft, if it comes out, it will be difficult to go into details. But as I said, from a basic concept point of view, as I said, we are a matrilineal society, for example, and that is what our strength has been, and that is what our culture has been. Now, that cannot be changed for us, and definitely that's something that, as a political party, we realize that the entire Northeast, for the matter of fact, has got a unique culture and unique ways of our society, and hence we would want that to remain, and we would not want that to be touched. So therefore, we'll have to see how the bill, if it comes out, it will be, and the actual language in the bill. But as a concept in its own, as I said, it's something that does not go with the entire idea of India being a diverse nation, and diversity being our strength and our identity, and hence a uniform civil code will go against that idea, is what the National People's Party feels.